standing along Oregon Highway 20 in the Coast Range between Corvallis and Newport, checking out the Tyee Formation. Tyee is spelled T-Y-E-E. Now, even though I'm standing a couple thousand feet above sea level, the Tyee sediments were deposited in the ocean. In the video, you can make out light layers of sandstone and dark layers of shale. These are all marine sediments. In her book, Roadside Geology of Oregon by Marley Miller, she describes how a huge area of basalt in the Pacific Ocean, called Siletzia, was added to the Oregon and Washington coasts by tectonic processes around 50 million years ago. As a result, much of the bedrock of the Oregon Coast Range is Siletzia. The Tyee sediments were deposited in the ocean on top of Siletzia before it was added to the Oregon coast. Now, I did a side trip over to Oregon Highway 38 to check out an exposure of Siletzia. There are better exposures, but I like this spot shown in the video because at this location we see Siletzia basalt overlaid by Tyee sandstone. There's one other marine deposit in this area that I know of. It's called the Yamhill Formation. It's younger than the Tyee and has thinner beds and darker sandstones, so my sense is that this deposit is a Tyee, and if the basalt isn't Siletzia, then I don't know what it could be. What's really interesting is that geologists long thought that the source of the Tyee Formation sandstones was the Klamath Mountains in southern Oregon. But now, based on some sort of chemical isotope magic that they perform on the sand, geologists believe that most Tyee sands eroded from granite in the Idaho batholith. That's right, Idaho, as in the state east of Oregon. Well, that's because when the Tyee was formed some 45 to 50 million years ago, the basin and range extension in Utah, Idaho, and eastern Oregon hadn't yet happened. Thus, Oregon and the Idaho batholith, they were much closer to each other, allowing for the possibility that the erosion forming the Tyee deposits may have originated in Idaho. Well, that sounds like another story.